In this part, we are going to do the registration of the service worker. To do the registrations, we are going to create a app.js, and inside the app.js, we are going to check whether it supports the service worker. So we type if service worker in navigator. If it supports the service worker, we will register the service worker, and then we console.log the service worker is registered, and then we catch the error. Now we go to the index, and then at the bottom we add the script which link to our app.js, and then we also link this to our about page and also the favorites page. And then at the root folder, we have to create the service worker. So we create the stub.json. Now we go to the page again. You see the service worker registered. And now you can see the scope is this localhost, and which means it can see all the files under the root folders.